हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू प्राइस इंपीडिया। तो आज मैं आपके सामने लेकर आया हूँ टेक्नो फंडा, एक और पिक। कंपनी का नाम है न्यूजन सॉफ्टवेयर। इससे पहले कि हम उसका फंडामेंटल एनालिसिस करें, वो टेक्निकल एनालिसिस करें, आई वुड जस्ट लाइक टू टेल यू समथिंग अबाउट माय चैनल. We have got this join button here. With this join button you can access the videos which are member only videos. As you can see, some of the videos here are mentioned as confidential member videos. So these are those videos which I normally publish at least 2 to 3 videos in a week. And other than that, I also create some posts for the members. कुछ चार्ट्स मैं पब्लिश करता हूँ, हमेशा वीडियो नहीं होता। कई बार मैं सिर्फ चार्ट पब्लिश करता हूँ और उस चार्ट में मैं आपको बताता हूँ कि किस तरीके से ये स्टॉक एक हाई प्रोबेबिलिटी पिक है और इसमें स्टॉप लॉस और टारगेट क्या होगा। तो आप ये एक्सक्लूसिव सर्विसेज अवेल कर सकते हैं। सो बाय क्लिकिंग ऑन दिस ज्वाइन बटन, द कॉस्ट ऑफ this membership is only 799 rupees. Please note, I'm not giving you any tips. It's just that I'm giving you the best possible setups which have high probability of succeeding in this market. So, guys, this is all about this join button. I hope you will join this community and get benefited from it. So now coming back to the stock today, the stock which I have is Vision Software. If we have a look at Vision Software, let's try to understand the fundamentals. First, we'll understand the fundamentals. Then we will try to see the chart and do the multi-time frame analysis, and we'll try to find out कि इसमें क्या stop loss होना चाहिए और किस तरीके के targets इस stock के अंदर होके आ रहे हैं. So now let's start Vision Software. The market cap of the company is around 4,075 crores. The P of the company is 27.7 and the industry P is 31. So the stock is cheaper than the industry valuations. If we look at the ROC and ROE, they both are above 20, so that gives us a good comfort level. Other than that, the dividend payout is around 19.2% and the face value is 10 rupees. That means you will get around 2 rupees dividend per stock. So that is good. Okay, now let's move forward now. Uh, okay. Now the important thing to notice here is that debt to equity ratio is only 0.04. So the company is almost debt free and the pledged percentage is all 0.00%. So there is no pledging. कोई भी चीज ऐसे गिरवी नहीं रखी गई है. So this looks good. FII holdings हल्की सी कम हुई है और DII holdings हल्की सी कम हुई है, but it's very marginal, it's very less. I don't see it affecting the stock at all. उसके बाद if you see the from last 5 years, the operating margin has been 20.5%, whereas in the last quarter the operating margin is 26.5%, which is 6% higher than the previous 5 years average. Okay, so the free cash flow from last 5 years is around 350 crores. Again, that's a very comfortable figure for us. So this is all about the company fundamentals. Now let's move forward. If you look at the chart is the price is trading very close to 50 DMA and it's very much above the 200 DMA. Again, that's a very comfortable feeling. If you can see, the price has gone up very high and then now it's consolidating. So now this consolidation could be over. We have to understand that. But as of now, we are just analyzing the fundamentals. Once we are done with that, then we'll go to the chart and try to understand what's happening on the chart. So what are the pros of this company? इस कंपनी के pros क्या है? कंपनी ने अपना डेप्ट रिड्यूस किया है. It's almost debt free. It has delivered a profit growth of 35.9% on a compounded annual basis. So compound annual growth is around 35.9% in last 5 years, which is just amazing. The company has been maintaining a very healthy dividend payout of around 19.42%. तो दोस्तों इस कंपनी के अगर हम पेयर्स चेक करें तो यहाँ पर ये कंपनी जो है ये सेक्टर आईटी सॉफ्टवेयर का है और इंडस्ट्री कंप्यूटर सॉफ्टवेयर मीडियम स्लैश स्मॉल. तो इस इंडस्ट्री के अंदर और भी बहुत सारी इंटरेस्टिंग कंपनीज है. इसमें अगर आप परसिस्टेंट सिस्टम को एनालाइज करें, इसका चार्ट स्ट्रक्चर भी काफ़ी अच्छा है और स्टॉक भी काफ़ी अच्छी वैल्यूएशन पर है. तो वहाँ पर आप एक पोजीशन बना सकते हैं, लेकिन आप पहले इसको स्टडी कीजिएगा. इसके अलावा you can also have a look at Tata Elxsi. So these two stocks are fundamentally good as well as their chart structure is also good at present. So they are at attractive valuations. Remaining companies all are fundamentally good for sure. Let's look at the quarterly result. If we see the sales of this company, सेल्स जो है कंपनी की इस बार आई है 186 करोड़ की. इन द लास्ट क्वार्टर इट वाज 160 करोड़. सो क्वार्टर ऑन क्वार्टर रिजल्ट्स इट हैज इंप्रूव्ड अ लॉट. At the same time, the operating profit has gone up from 23 to 47 crores. Operating margin has gone up from 14% to 25%. Net profit has gone up from 22 to 37 crores. As far as earning per share is, that's gone up from 3.09 to 5.34. So if we analyze this company on a quarter to quarter basis, definitely this quarter results have been very good. September quarter results have been very good as compared to the June quarter results. So this is the quarter on quarter analysis. Now let's move on to the profit and loss statement, which is the yearly figures in this statement. So if you look at the sales of this company, so sales have been at 673 crores, which I think is the highest. If you see previous years, पिछले साल के कंपैरिजन में 673 is the highest number, and पिछले in last trailing 12 months the figure is at 731 crores, which is good. Operating profit is 192 crores, which is much higher than previous years. And in last 12 months, they have clocked 205 crores. That's good. As far as EPS is concerned, it's gone up from 18.07 to 21 point, sorry, it has gone up from 10.40 to 18.07. And if you see in the previous years, EPS has never been even close to this figure of 18. So it's the maximum we have seen is 14. Here it is 18, so it's much higher. And in last 12 months, it's 21.02. Net profit has gone up from 73 crores to 126 crores. And in last 12 months, it's at around 147 crores. So again, these figures look quite good. If you look at the compounded sales growth from in last 12 months, the compounded sales growth has been 10%, compounding profit growth has been 42%, stock price compounded annual growth in last 1 year has been 118%, return on equity last year has been 21%. All looks good. As far as the reserves are concerned, reserves have improved from 148 crores to 633 crores. It's an all-time high. Cash flow is the most important figure because it tells you about the health of the company, and these flows cannot be manipulated at all. So we can definitely rely on these figures. So cash from operating activity is gone all the way up from March 2015. Company only used to generate a cash flow of 9 crores per year. Now company is generating the cash flow of 216 crores per year. So you can imagine how far the company has grown, all the way from 9 crores to 216 crores, right? Now the ratios. ROC has is clocked at an all-time high of 28%. The highest before this was 27%, so this is 1% better than that. As far as the debtor days is concerned, so they have fallen from 208 to 129, which is again good. Unfortunately, we don't have any data for the inventory days, so we cannot comment on that. As far as the shareholding pattern is concerned, the promoters are maintaining a shareholding pattern of 55%, although it used to be 66%, but that's a marginal decrease. I don't think that gives us any discomfort as such. FIIs, they have increased their holding from 11.63%, which was in December 2018, to 18.49%. DIS used to be 7.4%, it has marginally decreased to 7.16%. So, all in all, the fundamentals of the company look good. Now let's move on to the technicals. I started to do the multi-time frame analysis of the stock and try to find out whether the stock can be bought now or not, and if we can buy it, what will be the stop loss and what will be the target. So let's move on to the charts. So guys, अब हम we are on the chart of this company called Newgen Software. So this chart is a monthly chart in the sense that every candle which you see here represents the price movement this stock has gone through as far as 1 month is concerned. Okay. Now, if you see the price got listed at around 254 rupees. After that, the price went up and it hit around 350 mark. But at 350 mark, you see there was a resistance. Price could not sustain there, and it just fell down. So, and then this is the candle, the last candle which you see here. This candle represents, this was the Corona fall. And after that, you see the price of this stock has gone up marginally and it's gone up very high. Now let's try to understand how far the price has gone up after Corona. After Corona, the price has gone up by around 538%. Now the price is consolidated. You see this, there are one, two, three, four, and five candles. Let me just make it a little bigger for you guys. And let me remove this. So if you see here, the one, two, three, four, five, as I told you, every candle is a monthly candle. So from last 5 months, the price is consolidating in a trading range. So this trading range will be much better visible when we go into the weekly and daily charts. Now let's see this weekly chart. Look at this trading range. So the price has been moving in this range. So price always takes support at these levels, which is around 560 level. It takes support at 560 levels and goes up, and then there's a resistance at these levels. At 635, the price is facing resistance. At around 560, the price has the support. So this is as far as weekly chart is concerned. Now let's move on to the daily chart. Let's try to understand what's happening in the daily chart. This is the daily chart of the stock, and what I can do is like I'll just add the volume to it, and the volume will give us some indication what exactly is happening here. So the stock is, whenever it comes to around 560 level, it gives a bounce, and whenever it reaches to 634 levels, it faces resistance and it comes down. So the price is trading in a range, right? But I won't advise you to enter into the stock now. Although if you want to enter, you can enter with 1/4 of your position as of now. Means if you want to invest 100 rupees into the stock, you can invest 25 rupees at these levels. Even these levels are quite safe. But once the stock crosses the 630 level and it sustains above the 630 level, then probably that will be the time to enter into the stock. So I would request you all to add the stock into your watch list, just monitor it very carefully. And once it starts to trade above 630 levels, then you can go ahead and buy this stock. आपका stop loss जो होगा, if you are entering at the current level, your stop loss should be around 5 to 8% below, but your position will be only 1/4 of what you want to take. And once the price crosses these levels, then you can take the remaining 75% of your position. So if you enter into the stock at around say 640 or 650 levels, your stop loss should be at around 548 levels. So guys, this was all about Newgen Software. I hope you enjoyed the analysis of this. Please let me know through your comments and the challenges which you are facing. What sort of challenges you are facing when you are trading, and what sort of challenges you are facing when you are investing into the stock market. Do let me know, and I'll try to answer as much as I can with whatever little I know about the stock market. I'll share my experiences with you and try to guide you as much as I can. Also, would like to tell you that on the Twitter, I do come online every Monday, so you can connect with me on Twitter as well. Let me just show you my Twitter profile. This is my Twitter profile, so you can connect. This is the ID. Pricingpedia is my ID. It's the same as it's on YouTube. So you can connect with me every Monday at around 8 p.m. Indian time. I do come online, and whatever queries as far as stock queries and all that is concerned, or your doubts are concerned, you can talk to me live and we can definitely solve that. You can see there was one on November 22nd. It was about stock queries and doubts. I did solve quite a number of doubts there. So if you have any, do connect with me there. So, guys, thank you very much for your time and your patience and being with me. I will get back to you tomorrow. Tomorrow, I will be posting an update on market, जहाँ पे हम एनालाइज करेंगे निफ्टी को, बैंक निफ्टी को. विल ऑल्सो एनालाइज ऑल द सेक्टोरियल इंडिसेस, और हम आइडेंटिफाई करने की कोशिश करेंगे वो सेक्टर्स जो सेक्टर्स इस वक्त एक अट्रैक्टिव लेवल्स पर है, और हम उन सेक्टर्स में वो अट्रैक्टिव स्टॉक्स भी ढूंढने की कोशिश करेंगे. इसके अलावा we'll also have a look at the dollar index, USD, INR, and the gold and the silver as well. So please connect with me tomorrow as well. I will definitely upload a video and you can have a look at that. I'm sure that will give you a good view of the market for the week to come. So thank you very much. Have a nice day. Goodbye and good luck.